think there's a path there.
Hello folks. Yeah, I'm out in a vast pine forest, kind of mooching, wandering aimlessly at the moment. It's morning, it's about 11:30, but yeah, looking for a camping spot. There's been a lot of rain, look at that, it's turgid. I've got to cross it now. Quick, catch the wild camper going in.
Oh, please no. That would be a very, oh my God.
Yes, so I'm out with Rob.
Hello. So it looks like I've got breasts, but it really isn't. It's just my
Breasts.
gadgets.
And
Later. How are we all? Good.
I'm okay. Yes, and Mr. Muddy Paws is coming along later, apparently. I'm just looking for a spot where John and I camped. It might be in there. Not to camp there, but just, you know, for nostalgic reasons. But I'm sure it was around here somewhere. No, it wasn't that one. It was a bit like that, Rob, because there was a fallen tree in it, and we sat leaning against it.
With the mosquitoes.
With the mosquitoes.
They're very bad here.
Oh, yeah, it's really buggy, isn't it? Anyway, there'll be some mooching for a while, and we're going to stop and have lunch somewhere. And oh, I don't need lunch. I just ate a mosquito, and then we'll find somewhere to pitch later. So, yeah, enjoy the video. Should be doing this with my pack on.
Don't risk it. You start from there.
Down as low as you can and get your foot in between that stick. Okay. Adventuring. There's a lake. We just stopped for a lunch break. That was a lovely little spot. Creaky bag. Yeah, we were discussing this would make an awesome campsite, but
really good.
problem is there's a quite major footpath the other side of the water.
The beer's in.
Oh, thank you. And yeah, we would be seen. Obviously, really supposed to camp in this forest. So we're going to go and hide in the bushes a bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shame really, isn't it?
If you come back in the summer here,
It's just
with
as open.
with a bivvy,
I reckon if you had
no
a,
lights after dark,
Yeah.
that sort of thing.
even if you had like a camo tarp sort of covering the front from the.
Yeah, planned it a bit better. Anyway,
Right, let's be off.
moving on. Coming.
Picking up.
It's nice, though, isn't it? That little point out there is the prime camping spot. Hence the forestry have dumped all that rubbish out there. to stop people from having any fun. But yeah, and just literally the other side of them trees is a major path, and it goes all the way round the lake, and then as you get to that point it bends away. So this bit where we are is secluded, but you can see it from all around, which is a shame because there's not enough places like this in this country where you can go camping in a beautiful spot.
Yeah. Right.
It's all locked off. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Right, yeah. We'll be back when we found a spot. Okay, so we're at camp, and yeah, nice little spot. We do have issues with wind because at 5 AM apparently there's a storm coming in. We might get 40-mile-an-hour winds, so we've been a bit choosy about where we are. Rob's coming in here. I'm going to go back in there so that I'm sort of, the wind's coming towards camera, as it were. So I'm going to pitch up with those holly bushes in the way, just to maybe provide a little bit of cover from falling debris. And it's quite an open spot, you know, all the stuff that's going to fall hopefully is all that stuff, and it's all going that way. So yeah, we're probably being overly cautious, but you know, better than being too cavalier. Yes, so I think there is my spot. Pub mate, and you know, the trees around me, wind coming from the south, you know, these little ones, the holly stuff. And there is a big old birch in there, but hopefully I'm far enough away from the main body of it if I'm out here. And yeah, steer clear of the big thick pine section I think for tonight. And yeah, Jon has arrived. We say hello to Jon. Hello Jon.
Hello Dan.
How are you?
Wonderful, thanks.
Isn't it nice to see you?
It is nice to see me, yeah. Yeah, as always.
Are you well?
Yeah, can't complain. I mean, apart from the obvious, you know. Ah, he's getting all romantic.
Rob's putting up a light bulb.
That'll do well in the 50-mile-an-hour winds.
So yes, going to pitch a tent. Rob and I have been sitting here for an hour waiting for Jon, just to make sure we're all happy with where we're camping. So consequently I've had a beer. Yes, I've got a new tent. Let's get that out and we'll have a look at it.
It's a tent for the lads. For the lads.
That is a cool root system, isn't it? I do like that.
Cherry bakewell. Opening a bit faster, please.
Was that a yes please, Jon? I'd love a couple.
One's enough.
I
Well,
love a cherry
you're gonna have
bakewell,
tea.
Jon.
Because I've got 6.
Thanks.
I'll have one now. Someone's got a 24-hour MRE to eat, haven't they?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, lunch, yeah.
I got myself a Lanshan 1 off of Outdoor Gear Essentials. And yeah, I paid for it. And yeah, Colin has done some special modifications, which I will talk about in a separate video. For now, I just need to get it pitched and get myself organised, because it may well rain soon. What's that? And yeah, I haven't pitched this tent at all, so I need to figure out how. There we go, that'll do. Wow, look at these pegs. These are sexy pegs. Part of the modding that Cole did was replacing all the pegs with. These are about as light as a pencil. Feel them.
That's just saying how your job was met with.
Yeah, well, I don't get as much as an opportunity as you do.
No, there is that.
You know, you're more able to get them on their own, aren't you?
No. He pulled out this lump. Oh, and went no, and ate it like he ate that cake with relish. And I sat there and I thought, no, I have not just seen that. But yeah, he was having a good old dig, and I thought, well, as long as he's not putting it on the seats, I don't really care. But yeah, this one I had, I just thought, wow, that's dedication, isn't it? You're not using this audio, are you, Dan?
I might do.
Right. Make them double pigs. Dan. John's putting half over my tent again.
He's a good lad.
Shut up the rods.
Oh, there she is. That's my first pitch of the Lanshan one. And yeah, it's not too bad. There's a gap here, but the ground is higher. Where I'm sleeping, it slopes away here, so the gap is slightly emphasised. The ground's a little bit squishy, so I better watch the pegs. But yeah, looks okay. Let's have a look inside.
Down the washing machine.
And there she is inside. Very nice. Floor's nice and flat. I mean, it's not, because there's lumps of stuff underneath, but yeah, it's all good. Plenty of space though. Massive vestibule. Not bad at all. Hello John, I come to shelter under your tarp.
And what's that you've got there, Dan?
Right.
Is that a Trekology chair?
Look at it John, look at it. Ta-da.
Wow. And packs down to nothing.
Stop it. Nothing but abuse.
Is it even turned on?
I can hardly hear it.
Yeah, here we are.
And how quickly does it sink into the ground?
Oh, look at the feet, they're quite wide.
Yeah.
Confidently sits in.
It's a nice range of flaps.
Yeah.
Here's the famous YouTuber come to join us. It's John.
Yeah.
If you don't know, under a rock, and he's just some bloke. Yeah. Camp Life Bushcraft. John from the Muddy Paws channel. John's, yeah, very nice. John's shelter's looking a bit Spartan though, isn't it?
It's lovely.
Group tarp.
I like it. Under here.
Perfect.
Bed down with me if you like.
I might do.
Very kind of you.
I did actually bring my bivvy, so if I can't be bothered.
Look at old Techno over there. He's got an O light and a lantern and a candle lantern.
For the evolution of lighting. Yeah.
Here you go John, I got your beer.
Oh, thanks, Dan.
So I hang this up here somewhere.
Yeah.
Hopefully it won't burn through your tarp, John.
Who cares?
I don't know.
Only cost me 20 quid about 10 years ago.
Well, we under?
Really good.
The question
Is that
tarp.
that one, is it?
Yeah.
Decathlon.
Yeah. It's got a couple of tiny holes in it.
Yeah.
We'll remedy that
You
later,
guys
John.
like have campfires nearly under it, don't you? That's
Yeah.
great.
And the rain has arrived. And so has the wild camper. Come on, get in here, John, Rob.
All right, John. Hello. How are we? Hello, everyone.
He's back at work.
Ah, yes, indeed. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls.
Oh, that orange bag.
Yeah, it's a shame, isn't it?
It's a bin bag. Might crush beer can if they were there.
Yeah, well, it's my rubbish pile. This is the abuse I get.
And they're bickering like an old married couple. Oh, John, look at your bag.
That
Don't you
Perfect.
dirty beans.
Muddy paws on his bag. Get it?
bit plastic over it, it'd be fine.
Yeah, pass that bag.
I'll put muddy paws on the old bag. Ball bag.
It's definitely got under it at the right time.
Yeah.
If you boys don't like them, I'm happy to drink that. Or do you want it?
No, you go for it.
I don't know.
You go for it. You go for it. Leaf finger.
You know the only mistake we've made?
Yeah.
We didn't gather any firewood.
Oh, we didn't, did we?
I wasn't planning on
over
us
there.
having a fire. I didn't think we were going to have a fire.
Well, it might not be now.
I don't think we will be.
It's a bit wet.
It's definitely moist, isn't it?
Yeah. Lucky John bought a tarp.
Well, I only charged £5 an hour each.
Your stupid tarp leaking on me now.
Oh no!
Look at it.
Well,
Look!
you're more than welcome to leave.
Pretty out there. I can't leave. I haven't got a coat. It's in my tent.
Yeah.
Look at that majestic, whatever it's called. What's it called? Lanshan. Look at the water beading off it, Rob. Look.
I'm so jealous.
Filling that hollow that you put it in.
Yeah.
No. I've got no right to be as excited as that. This is my MRE video. Piss off.
Sorry. Oh, hang on a second.
I'm trying to pretend that I'm not filming.
It was John, I think you'll find. I'm not opening it till you go away.
It's going to be a long evening, and you've got... Oh, you have got a full battery. More for the candle. Citronella.
Yeah. Nice.
Actually, a snake and veg.
It's nice actually. A couple of big dumplings in here.
They're
good.
I put a whole bottle of Tabasco in that, and now I can feel it.
There's a little chilli sauce in my pouch, but this is alright as it is.
Anyone want a glass of red?
Maybe in a bit. I've still got my beer. That's not really a glass of red though, is it? That's like a doll's house bar. Yeah, I'm eating British Army beef stew and dumplings, and it's very nice, must be said.
Check out my review video.
A little chilli. Let's warm me up a treat. Yeah. Good morning. It's 7:20, and according to the weather yesterday, the high winds were due to start at 8 o'clock this morning, so got half an hour of reasonable pleasantness. I heard the wind last night. It's weird where we are. The trees here, last night we were sitting around the fire, the trees here weren't moving, but you could hear the ones over there were going mad. And I don't know if we're in like a little bowl or something here, but it's been a good spot in terms of wind noise. Yeah, I could hear it coming from the pines over there. It was blowing last night. I'll just check the weather again. Yeah, still 8 o'clock, 42 miles an hour, and then rising through the morning. So realistically, we got half an hour to enjoy a nice calm breakfast, and then we might have to skedaddle. Morning, John.
Oh, morning, Dan.
Oh,
didn't see you
hello
there.
there.
Didn't see you there or hear you. How are you?
I'm very well.
Good. How did you sleep?
Very well.
Good.
That's nice. That extra protection floating in a puddle.
Yeah, it keeps you off the ground.
It does.
It's a layer of insulation.
How about yourself, John?
Yeah, not too bad, not too bad.
Good.
Thank you for asking.
Morning, Rob.
Good morning.
You all right over there?
Yeah. Brilliant.
Excellent.
Living the dream.
Excellent.
Living the dream.
Well, your dream was to go camping with me.
Well, kind of.
It became a nightmare.
I made it a reality. Right, well, kettle's boiled. Let's do it. Let's do it, man. Ah, glorious. Glorious. Glorious.
Chappy.
Yeah.
Lovely time, isn't it?
I'm having a lovely time.
Best mates camping. What else could he want?
Well, just the last 8 hours or so I've been by myself, so it makes me so happy.
Having a break from you, horrible.
Yeah. All the bullying, you know, it gets to you, doesn't it? It gets to you.
There's a big hairy caterpillar.
Oh, you got to film it, John. Hello.
Hello there.
You're the one with the beard.
Because I'm not a beard. I don't know if you've heard this train of thought before. This was good this time.
Hang on. I'm going to pop you down. I think it in my coffee to drink.
What's the matter with you?
What?
What's the matter with you?
I'm just taking a piss at you. Because you're worth it.
Can't get your face in there, wild camper.
I'm trying, but I haven't got my makeup on yet, and it's not a pretty look.
Ooh, it's cold.
It's cold.
Are you okay, Rob?
I'm very well, thank you for asking, yes. But,
Towering above me. Let's get your crotch in.
macro. Yeah, good, thanks, buddy. Yeah, good sleep. Happy man.
You don't have to be nice to me now the camera's on.
Well, you're still.
The wind is starting to pick up, so maybe we should pack up. Pardon me.
Late.
Right, that's it. We're done. We're packed up, and yeah, the weather's coming. It's going to be wet and windy in the next hour, so time to go. Let's say thanks to these lovely chaps. I can't see you. Where are you? There's one.
Thanks.
Thanks, Rob.
That's all right, mate. Nice to see you.
Nice to
Nice to see you lot as well.
Thanks for inviting me out,
That's
Rob.
okay.
Thanks, John.
Sorry,
nice
I
to
couldn't
see
hear
you. Well done for inviting yourself out.
You invited me.
It's all good.
Volunteer to spend any time with me.
No, it was nice to see you.
Just do it because of the legal case.
Yeah, I know.
Judge told me I had to.
Judge Reinhold. Anyway, thanks very much.
Judge Rinder.
Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye.
That's it.
Yeah, I'm
You
really
don't
looking
need to
forward to
go.
seeing this excellent
Thanks
video.
very much. I'll see you on the next
Quality
one.
footage.
Bye.
Dan's already said 15 times, I'm not even going to make this. He's in Eeyore mode,
This-
full Eeyore mode this morning.
This video may not see the light of day.
He's made himself a little house of sticks
I
over there.
didn't-
I bet you it'll be at least 35 minutes.
I didn't film anything. I got drunk.
And managed to do stuff to other people's stuff.
Yeah, expensive damage.
Rob stupidly left his camera on the floor and I accidentally, very gently kicked it.
I don't remember that, do you?
It was like Johnny Wilkinson in 2003.
Bang! Yes.
Anyway, goodbye.
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 Goodbye. That's it. Turn it off. It's done.
I'm fading to black.